hosting or cloud hosting is one of the best hosting out there. If you are looking for the speed, security, or cheap web hosting, then hosting or cloud hosting is one of the best option is there. So basically, you're gonna if your website having a more than 1 lakh monthly visitor, then you have to move to the cloud hosting. Cloud hosting is a best for the small business owner or those people who have good traffic on their site. So cloud hosting having some plan: cloud startup, cloud professional, and cloud enterprise. From my point of view, cloud professional is one of the good option to choose because there are many benefits they are offer. If you go for this, they are offering 48 month, 24 month, 12 month, and 1 month offer. My suggestion you to go at least 48 month because it will give you more discount. Just let's review the cloud professional plan. 3 lakh monthly visitor website can handle your 3 lakh monthly visitor. Up to 100 website you can make on this hosting, migrate hosting for WordPress. 200 GB NVMe storage, file directories indoors, you know, 200 PHP workers, 6 GB RAM, 400, 4 CPU cores, free domain, free domain worth through dollar 10, and free SSL they provide for each and every website. SSL help you to rank on Google and build on trust authority on Google or any of the search engine. 200 mailbox for free for 1 year. Uh, Dedicated IP address priority basis support. They also offer. Here also same comparison. RAM is 3 GB, 6 GB, 12 GB. CPU core 246. They also of every if you go any of this cloud hosting like cloud startup, cloud professional, cloud enterprise, they give you free SSL, free domain with each and every web hosting. They also give you some of these managed hosting for website like WooCommerce, one-click Google integration, free automation website migration, automatic website migration, free one-click WordPress installation, free pre-built template, a free Amazon affiliate, WordPress plugin, WordPress associate, acceleration, light speed, smart WordPress auto update, WordPress value WordPress capabilities checker, and many more features they are offer for the with the cloud hosting. They also offer website builder, drag and drop website builder, AI website creation. Just give the prompt, AI will create you the as per your prompt, site as per your prompt. 150 design templates crafted by the hostinger, Google Analytics integration, marketing integration, AI copy tool, copywriting tool, SEO, AI SEO tool, e-commerce features, 0% transaction fees, 100% payment method, and many more of these offer. Main part is the 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the service, they offer 30-day money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, global data center, so you can access your visitor can access your website any of the part of the world without any delay by accessing them any file. because they have data center globally. 24/7 customer support by chat. They'll support you. Their support is very amazing. Technical is detail. They are providing file and directories, in Node.js, PHP, monthly visit, subdomain. You can create 300 subdomain, database. There is a lots of thing, dedicated IP address and everything. They have some review by their user, worldwide user. Some of the review, five five rating review by their user who are already using the Hostinger. I'm also using Hostinger premium feature, which is one of the best feature and best web hosting from my point of view. Website builders, total security, 99% uptime guarantee, single simple dashboard, 24 by 7 customer support. So this is one of the good and best web hosting out there. So if you want to try this web hosting, go in description, check out uh, my affiliate link there, and definitely sign up and take benefit of the hosting, a cloud hosting. But if you have good, good monthly visitor on your site, then you can go with the cloud web hosting. Otherwise, you can go with the profession premium or business web hosting as per your budget, as per your requirement. So that's my review for this hosting, which is one of the